Hello and welcome to this introductory video to the Explain model. The model is intended to help you write exceptional answers to explain questions in science. This is not only a frequently asked type of question in GCSE exams, but it is also a key life skill. The ability to explain why something happens can be incredibly useful in your careers. The model is linked to the what, how, why technique in English. In science, we are going to use the same words, but for us, they serve a different purpose. We want to include the word think, as planning on what to write is critical. You have to think about the science you need to answer the question, and you have to put it into a logical sequence of cause and effect. Order it. You need to identify from the question what is happening or changing. Then look to see the result of this change and then ask, why is this the outcome? The last part of the plan is the most difficult. You figure out how to connect the what to the why. So how does the model work in practice? Here is a recognisable explain question you would expect to encounter in science. Explain why your breathing increases during exercise. The first thing we do is think and identify our what, how and why. In this question, the what is exercise. Our body is doing exercise. Next, the why is breathing increases. This is the outcome of doing exercise. Now the difficult part. How do we connect the what to the why? Here is a list of concepts I think are important when explaining why breathing increases when we do exercise. Am I happy with the sequence of these concepts? No. Let's reorder these into a logical sequence that better links our what to our why, cause and effect. I can swap them on here, but you can number them when you do your plans. Before we compose our answer, let's check if we need to add anything. This will usually involve making sure we have used correct scientific vocabulary. Here I want to add that it is aerobic respiration. I also want to use the correct terminology that it is the rate of gas exchange that requires to increase. Now we're ready to write our answer. We begin with the what, we write our how in sentences and in the sequence we have decided, and conclude with the why. We structure our paragraph using appropriate connectives. This will take deliberate practice and time to master, but it will make you an effective communicator. Thank you for watching.